Hi guys, today we have a new product for you to unbox and show you what's inside this package. So it's about time we have a box opening of an Apple product. As you can probably already tell, this is iPad Air. In this particular case we have, just a second, there you go, we have iPad Air 2 64 gigabytes version, Wi-Fi plus cellular data. So obviously you see what it includes, but in writing it's one thing, we want to see it with our own eyes. I have to just make a quick disclaimer before I open the box that this one has been already opened once, and now we are going to just show you the contents of the box. Don't worry about packaging and things like that, just because it has been opened once. And yeah, obviously it won't be in the actual way you get it when you buy it brand new. This device is new, but it's been opened already. So this is, as you know, the packaging that Apple offers, and this is the actual iPad Air 2. So this is nothing new. I'll put it on the side. I'll just probably have to show you how it looks at the back. So there you go, you have the Apple, you have the black part at the top, you have the camera over there in the corner, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the tablet. So what do you get in its box? First of all, we have designed by Apple in California. You have, I think, some paperwork. This device for your SIM card, memory card slot, and you have some paperwork as expected. iPad Air, home button, lightning connector, nano SIM tray, volume button, sleep wake button, iPad information, and the usual two Apple stickers. For any fan of Apple, it's not unusual that you get these stickers still. So this was the first part here on the top. You also get the power plug. This is an interesting configuration, but you're probably aware how it works. This is the UK version. You just slide it in the slot and you have your USB power connector, power adapter for charging. This is the one, and you also get as well, take them out, this is the USB cable. It is type C. So this is it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This was a quick unboxing video of the iPad Air. There you go, that's the actual tablet. This is the top of the box, and this is iPad Air 2, just to clarify. So if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.